what's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson, filling you in on Father's Day weekend. We have so much planned for this Saturday. I'm trying to figure out where to start. I guess we should start with the national event. It's the Great American Ride happening this Saturday. What's going to happen is you're going to come in, you're going to sign up with a special keyword, and you got a chance to win. First of all, this baby right here, it is the 2026 limited edition Heritage. Is this bike not beautiful? You're not going to win this one. Harley-Davidson's going to send it here for the one that you win. But if you want to check it out, it is here in store for you to see. Also, there's going to be one of 12 in-store shopping sprees. They are going to contact you via phone to let you know if you are a winner. So you might find out while you're in here actual shopping. Hey, that $500 could get a long way here at Harley-Davidson. So come on in and join us for that. First 20 people who check into our hog table, which is going to be set up right there in front, and show your confirmation that you pre-registered, gets this kick-ass magic cloth. So come on in, get here early. They will start at 11 o'clock. What else is happening? Time Machine is back for our yearly Father's Day weekend car show. $15 to enter. Registration starts at 10 a.m. We don't worry about what's happening in the front of the dealership. We have the whole Riding Academy lot, so we can fit even more cars. So come on out and join us. Bring that badass ride that you have and get entered in the Time Machine car show. So signature event we have every Father's Day weekend. You don't have a car to enter, come check out all the cars that we have here. Enter our national event and donate blood, because Carter Blood Care is back. We always work with Stanfield Masonic Lodge 217. All blood donations go to the Scottish Rite Children's Hospital in Dallas. So come on out. Our last blood drive was insane. There was no spots left, and every time spot was filled. So come on out, donate, test ride some kick-ass Harley-Davidsons that we have here, and maybe even take one home. Why not pick out one for yourself for Father's Day? Car show, shopping, national events, rolling Sturgis, Milwaukee to Sturgis. It's all happening here. So much. I hope I didn't miss anything. Kick-ass weekend here. It's American Eagle Harley-Davidson as always. We will be here. We're just waiting for you now. We'll see you on Saturday. Yep. Check out this baby. This is what you can win. The Great American Ride event. Saturday, American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Woo!